hello, 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 hello. Yeah, good. Okay, so we have messages. अब ठीक है. ओके, हाँ अभी मतलब कनेक्शन तो ठीक दिखा रहा है. आपका लगन देख के मोटिवेट हो जाए कोई भी. लगन क्या, मैं तो जस्ट रिकनेक्ट किया नॉर्मल, दैट्स इट. ए हाय आदित्य, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. आप मॉर्निंग में कॉन्सेप्ट करे करो और इवनिंग में असाइनमेंट अच्छा रहेगा प्लीज़. हाँ, इवनिंग में ही असाइनमेंट कराना पड़ेगा बिकॉज इवनिंग में सब लोग फ्री रहता है. मॉर्निंग में देखते हैं कब क्या हो. मॉर्निंग में तो काम रहता है ज़्यादातर. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ट्राई करूँगा कि थोड़ा जल्दी लाइव स्ट्रीम करने, और कोशिश करूँगा मैक्सिमम 1 बजे के आसपास लाइव स्ट्रीम करने. और बाकी जो कॉन्सेप्ट वाले वीडियोस हैं, आई मीन सॉरी असाइनमेंट वीडियोस है, वो आफ्टर 6 या आफ्टर 7 कराऊँगा. क्योंकि क्या है, बहुत लोग जैसे ऑफिस या तो कॉलेज जाते हैं, तो एटलीस्ट जब वो लोग वापस आएँ तो इट विल बी ईजी फॉर देम टू प्रैक्टिस द, आई मीन टू अटेंड द प्रैक्टिस सेशन. सो दैट इज़ द थिंग. यूआई भी, और ये एप्पल नहीं लग रहा है कुछ प्री इंस्टॉल ऐप. हाँ वही, मतलब जैसा लग रहा है ना, नोवा लॉन्चर यूज़ किया गया है काइंड ऑफ थिंग. मतलब डार्क थीम यूज़ किया गया है. देन लॉट्स ऑफ, जैसे हम लोग एंड्रॉयड में एक नोवा लॉन्चर करके आ रहा था, सो इट इज़ लाइक दैट. रिकनेक्ट का नहीं, मैं आपका चैनल देख के आप लाइव बहुत करते हो न्यू न्यू थिंग्स का. ओके ओके ओके, थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू यश. लाइक मीन्स आप मॉर्निंग में स्टडी करा करें लाइक सीक्वल देन असाइनमेंट. भाई मॉर्निंग में काम भी तो है ना भाई. काम मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ आदित्य, तो जल्दी लाइव स्ट्रीम करेंगे. मतलब कोशिश करूँगा, बहुत कोशिश करूँगा कि काम थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाए. तो 2 बजे के आसपास हम लोग लाइव स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट करेंगे. लाइव स्ट्रीम में कुछ भी पढ़ाना हो, कुछ भी डाउट वगैरह क्लियर करना हो, वो सब अटेंड करना जो भी है आप लोग. ठीक है. फिर क्या करेंगे, आफ्टर 7 o'clock वी कैन स्टार्ट विद द असाइनमेंट. क्योंकि मतलब वही 6-7 बजे जब भी ठीक लगे. क्या रहेगा कि जो लोग भी स्कूल कॉलेज मैक्सिमम, देखो या तो स्कूल, आई मीन मैक्सिमम कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स हैं और वर्किंग कॉरपोरेट सेक्टर के लोग हैं, तो दैट्स द थिंग. तो वो लोग भी अगर काम करके आते हैं, इट इज़ मोस्टली अराउंड 6-7 o'clock के बाद ही, तो उसी टाइम ये असाइनमेंट हम लोग करेंगे. ज़्यादा लोग भी रहेंगे, दे कैन प्रैक्टिस आउट. और मॉर्निंग में जस्ट नॉर्मल हम लोग लाइव स्ट्रीम वी विल डू फॉर डाउट क्लियरिंग एंड ऑल. ठीक है, इस तरीके से वी कैन डू इट, बेटर रहेगा. लेकिन एक चीज़ बोल रहा हूँ, जब हम लोग असाइनमेंट करेंगे उस टाइम वी विल बी फुल्ली फोकस्ड ऑन असाइनमेंट. फुल्ली फोकस्ड ऑन असाइनमेंट, आफ्टर दैट ओनली वी विल क्लियर ऑल द डाउट्स. ठीक है. बिग चेंज क्या है, न्यू कस्टम इमोजी ऐड कर सकते हो. अरे वो क्या चेंज है इमोजीज तो मतलब डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग, लेट मी टेल यू. Emojis, that's a, I mean different kind of thing, let me tell you that. वो ऐड करें ना करें, दैट्स काइंड ऑफ आउट ऑफ द लीग. मतलब ऐसा कुछ इनोवेटिव टाइप का जो कि मतलब लगे कि हाँ किसी ने कुछ किया है करके, किसी ने कुछ काम का चीज़ किया, लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ अगर चीज़ कुछ होता है तो हाँ वी कैन से. पर स्टिल लेट्स सी. अभी नया iOS है, आई होप जितना बग्स वगैरह है वो हट जाए. क्योंकि बग्स बहुत थे 18 में, मतलब रेडिट में जितना देखा है बग्स बहुत थे iOS 18 में. तो मैं होप करता हूँ कि वो क्लियर हो जाए. लेट्स सी सही में क्लियर होता है कि क्या होता है. लेट्स सी दैट. अभी तो आज शायद लॉन्च हो गया मेरे को लग रहा है आईफोन, बिकॉज मैं बहुत सारा अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियोस वगैरह देख पा रहा हूँ, बहुत लोगों ने अपना अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियोस वगैरह डाला हुआ है। तो आई आई होप सब कुछ आ चुका है, मेरे को तो लग रहा है। ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरीज लाइक मिनी चेंज है हेडसेट का बैटरी, पहले नहीं दिखाता था अदर कंपनीज का बहुत अदर कंपनीज का, बट अब दिखाता, जैसे मेरा ओप्पो इको है, पहले नहीं दिखाता था अब दिखाता है। ओके, नाइस नाइस। पहले वो परसेंटेज नहीं आता होगा, अब वो परसेंटेज आ रहा है। या दैट्स अ गुड थिंग देन, दैट्स अ गुड थिंग। नाइस। एप्पल एंड इनोवेशन आजकल मैच नहीं करता है। हाँ, वो जब से स्टीव जॉब्स दुनिया छोड़ के गए हैं, तब से इनोवेशन ने भी हाथ खड़े कर दिए अपने। दैट्स व्हाट आई कैन सी। मतलब पहले जो था वो, दैट वाज अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ थिंग, बट राइट नाउ इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक चेंजिंग शेप्स एंड ऑल, दैट्स इट। Okay, let's start something good. So we have So we have one, hello, yeah. So we have one live chat from Devorshi. Hi Devorshi, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. Are you playing music? हाँ, या म्यूजिक चल रहा है बैकग्राउंड में, बट जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो आई एम पॉजिंग द म्यूजिक, राइट? हरीश, हाय, ए हाय हरीश, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. Welcome to live stream. How are you? I'm good, bro. How are you, Harish? How are you? I'm good. Thanks. And okay, we have one more query. Okay, like really nice to hear you working with music. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Actually, this is simple. The AI, I mean, YouTube music, so no issue in copyright issues and all kind of thing. Because last time I was using background music in my live stream, it got kind of copyright issue, not strike but kind of copyright issue, so I have to remove that music from the video and re-upload it. Means re-upload matlab went for review and it got auto re-uploaded. So that is the reason I am just using YouTube ka music, whatever they have in their own default I mean data set or database. I'm using that. ओके यश सर, आप एआई समरी यूज़ करते हो एप्पल में? आया है मैक में? नहीं यार, ये एआई रिलेटेड समरीज वगैरह मैं तो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस भी यूज़ नहीं कर रहा हूँ जो एप्पल का है, क्योंकि शायद अभी तक ढंग से लॉन्च हुआ नहीं है, व्हाट आई कैन सी इन न्यूज़. तो जब प्रॉपर लॉन्च हो जाएगा आई विल बी हैप्पी टू यूज़ इट. Harish, I have started learning SQL now. Yeah, nice, yeah, nice, brother. Any doubts you have, you can ask me. I am ready to help you out, Harish. यश, अब से सब में जो अपडेट आया 26 वर्जन होगा. हाँ, राइट राइट. ए हाय न्यूरल टून्स, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. Welcome to live stream. Harish, a live stream does not have to be uploaded. If you want, you can put it hidden. But let me tell you, Harish, for monetization purpose, it should get uploaded. Otherwise, there at least for whatever the work I am doing in YouTube, at least if I get something from there, just from the ad revenue, it would be better. So that's why I used to upload it. Upload matlab it automatically get uploaded. Like if I put it on a hidden basis, then it won't get monetized, as well as it won't be of any use, because whatever doubts I clear here, some like most of the viewers go back and check their doubts. Like yesterday, if you know, Vikas, he had some network issue, and today he went to the same live stream like previous day live stream and check out that video again. So if I put it hidden, the doubts whatever I have cleared for the subscribers and viewers, it will be tough for them to gain it back. And second thing is, for at least increase of hour and monetization purpose, it if the video is getting hidden, it won't be of any use. So that's why. uh, यश, न्यूरल नेटवर्क चल रहा और उसमें बहुत डीमोटिवेट फील हो रहा है. न्यूरल नेटवर्क लाइक व्हाट इज इट ऑल अबाउट? न्यूरल नेटवर्क मतलब क्या, वो जो रिलेटेड टू टेस्ला, क्या जो न्यूरल एनर्जी वाला जिसमें ब्रेन में चिप सेट डालते हैं, इज इट दैट? यश, न्यूरल टून्स, वेयर आर यू वर्किंग सर? आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम. आई एम वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, दैट्स इट. वर्क फ्रॉम होम. आई एम इन माई होम. एआई में न्यूरल नेटवर्क लाइक व्हाट इज इट ऑल अबाउट? यश, कैन यू थोड़ा डिटेल में बोल सकते हो क्या? बिकॉज मैं न्यूरल के बारे में सुना था थ्रू this Elon Musk का thing, मतलब neural chipset he used to put inside those who are, especially those who are in coma kind of thing. I mean, those who are in coma, so what they used to do, they used to just put a chip inside their head, I mean, inside the brain, and then do some kind of IoT, do some kind of stuffs which I cannot have idea about it, and the brain start working. So it is like that. Hey, hi Rohit, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. Via, please give some tips for basic electrical engineering and computation physics. My God, I am doing BTech CSC, can't even do coding for an hour, and I'm a complete newbie in coding. By electrical engineering and computation physics, like, is this a subject in your, I mean, to say this kind of, is this a subject in BTech? Because because I am a mechanical engineer and I can help you out something in that, but related to electrical engineer and computational physics, it is something out of my league, what I can say. And related to coding that you have like mentioned, like it is tough right now for doing coding for an hour. It comes in a practice, let me tell you. It comes with a practice. So at least make sure just you are just making yourself, I mean, keeping yourself away from social media for 1 hour a day, 2 hours a day, like this. If you increase and put yourself into coding, then your mind will feel, I mean, flexible, as well as you will also feel comfortable to do coding for long hours. Starting time, yeah, there is a issue. There is a issue on starting phase, but let me tell you, if you like carry on with this coding work, like what you do, you know, just switch off your mobile phones, each and everything, or in airplane mode. Just only focus on the coding part for hour. Next day, it do it like 1 hour 30 minutes. Like this, you increase. In this way, what will happen? Your brain will be flexible enough to cope up with that thing. I mean, the coding thing, and you will also get interest, because once you are flexible and comfortable, you will really get interest on this. Okay? Neural tunes, what skills needed to become DA engineering? For data analytics engineering, see, I would say start with SQL, like go with like queries, managing data like it is used. Second is Python, like once you have a good grip on all the concepts and logic in SQL, move to Python. Python for mainly it is used for automation kind of work. Also Python for data analytics, not full Python. Python for data analytics means mostly it is into libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn kind of thing. So make sure you are having a good grip on SQL and Python, matlab basic to advanced kind of thing. ठीक है? Third, if you are getting interest to move into data visualization, then take any of the specific tool like Power BI or Tableau. Learn that. Like choose any specific tool like either Power BI, either Tableau. Learn it till intermediate level. No need to learn it till advanced. Till intermediate level, if you learn it, more than enough for DA. That's the thing. So these are the three things which is important. And apart from that, make sure you do projects. Why I am saying, because at least when you go for an interview kind of thing, or if you want to make yourself comfortable with working with freelance client, then at least you can showcase your skills using the project. So these are the skills you needed to become DA engineer, as well as these are the tools and these are the kind of roadmap. If you follow, you will become successful in this.
Rohit, yes, it is a part of syllabus. I took CSC because okay, and stuff still they're teaching it. Yeah, see, in first year they will teach everything, chemistry, even though they will teach. It is of no use in future work for people like me and you, but still, chemistry is there, and chemistry was very tough for me. I had went through it, just got the passing marks, and just out of that league. Let me tell you one thing: electrical in, I mean, subjects in electrical field are also taught to us on first year itself. So first year, even though first and second sem both, not even one sem, like chemistry was only in first sem. ठीक है. So electrical engineering वाला thing, I mean electrical engineering का syllabus वाला जो subjects है that are taught for first sem and second sem. So these are the things which I was also not interested in, but let me tell you, just give your 100% in this first two sem, and it is just for, like, I would say, one shot kill kind of thing. So just pass that subject and leave it. That's the thing. I'm afraid I will get back in first sem itself. Same thing, I was also afraid that I will get back in chemistry subject. So that is the thing. So chemistry subject, anyways, I have passed with just passing marks. मतलब passing marks से 4-5 नंबर ज़्यादा हो के I have just passed. And practical, I have did the best in practical, because practical, like, because the thing is, I am very much interested into practical. Doesn't matter if it's in chemistry or if it is in kind of electrical engineering का topics or subject. I am good at practical because it is quite interesting. There is no theory, there is no formula kind of, like, formula is there, no doubt, logics are there, no doubt, but not that much. So it is kind of interesting thing. And yeah, I have achieved good marks in practical and just passing marks in theory. So just I have cleared my chemistry subject exam and electrical subjects in my first year itself. So just give it one push to yourself. Tell your brain, or tell yourself that this is the last time I will be studying chemistry or electrical engineering and electrical subject wala. I mean, electrical engineering ka subjects in BTech. After that, I won't be studying all this. So let's give your 100% and just get the passing marks. That's it. ठीक है. Yash, like how it's work, like imagine recognizing and recognition and probability and image generation 3D data to 2D without losing any important data for recognition image, or while creating new AI generated image with prompt data. हाँ, creating new AI generated image with prompt data was on the earliest, I mean, वो तो पहले से ही था. ये जो चीज़ है नया, मतलब इमेज जनरेशन 3D डेटा टू 2D, ये मैं फर्स्ट टाइम सुन रहा हूँ. This is the first time I'm listening to this things. So what is, like, worry करने का क्या चीज़ है? We are not into any designing kind of thing. So why you need to worry about? Rohit, भैया, are you from tier 1 college? नहीं यार, not tier 1, not from IIT NITs. I am from Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology, like in Odisha. If you search, yeah, it is the kind of best college in private, I mean, best private college in Odisha. So it is not tier 1, it is tier 2 college, not even tier 1, let me tell you. So no, I am not from tier 1 college. Not from IITs and IITs are mostly into tier 1 college, so I am not into that. I am not from there, let me tell you. So any more doubts anybody have? And let me tell you, Rohit, no need to worry about this kind of scenario and situation are faced by everyone, because in my I mean, in my college only, there are many people who are not at all fond, I mean, not at all interested in this chemistry and electrical wala subjects. So none of them got back because They knew that after this semester we won't be reading chemistry subjects again in our whole life, and that's true. So that is the reason we have just given our 100% and got good marks. That's not good marks, just passing marks. I am currently in VIT. VIT is a good college यार. VIT का एग्जाम दिया था मैंने. First year I have my midterm in like 20 days. Okay, midterm ना, हाँ अभी like what, let me tell you, विंटर वेकेशन के पहले एक मिड टर्म होता है, राइट? समझ गया, वो सब रहता है, उसके बाद फिर विंटर वेकेशन होगा, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. तो पढ़ लो, मतलब देखो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, यू हैव टू स्टडी. लेट मी टेल यू कि हम लोगों ने भी वो सेम फेस क्रॉस किया हुआ है, रोहित. ईच एंड एवरीवन जिसने भी बीटेक किया है, let me tell you, 90% of the candidates or students who have done BTech, they are not at all fond of chemistry or electrical subjects that you are telling. Not at all fond of it. Simple. So anyhow, they have to just pass that subject, because everybody knows this is the last time you will be reading all this. After this, you won't be even touching the electrical wala book या chemistry का book. So just give your 100%, just give your 100%. That's it. Let me tell you, no need to bring full marks. You won't be like stressing yourself to bring full marks, but at least passing marks you can get, let me tell you. And one more thing, Rohit, one more thing, let me tell you this is like in our क्लासरूम का जितना भी टीचिंग रहता है ना केमिस्ट्री या इलेक्ट्रिकल सब्जेक्ट में, उसमें what we used to do, we used to ask our teacher related to what kind of question it will come. So like what kind of question we will face in exams. So Rohit, you know what our teachers used to say, just go with the 5 years ka paper. 5 years purana paper, you go with it, from there only they will set the question. Believe me, Rohit, believe me, and that is true. Last 5 year का जितना क्वेश्चन पेपर्स है, go with it, and from there only they will set the paper, let me tell you that. And it has happened same with our college also, like our teachers have told, professors have told that if you go with the last 5 year का क्वेश्चन पेपर, मिड टर्म या तो फाइनल टर्म, जो भी क्वेश्चन पेपर, if you go with it, questions will come from there itself. Let me tell you that, and believe me, these things happen, and this is the reason we passed with the passing marks for these subjects. So make sure you go with this last year ka question paper, and you get passing marks, and that's it. Kavya, Yash, it means less data accuracy is as equal as 3D data, but less data size and speed of training AI will increase twins for 3D data. Okay, that's a good thing, yeah. That's a good thing, but let me tell you, no need to worry about that much. Chill, chill. Those who are into technical field, no need to worry about them, because non-technical field they actually have to worry about their job roles, but not non-technical, like candidates or employees, no need to worry about. No need to worry about. Just chill. Rohit, my teacher has given us PQ previous year question. Okay, sorry. Previous year question of triple E, but I cannot solve a single question on it. See, let me tell you one thing. In your class, there would be some topper kind of student will be there in the class who would have solutions for this question. Get that solution and just mug it up. Mug it up, let me tell you. Get that solution, mug it up. That's it. That's what we used to do, because we don't used to get solution for everything. And let me tell you, there is no guide kind of book. I mean, guide book जो होता है ना, जैसे एनसीईआरटी या आर डी शर्मा का guide book, we don't have that kind of things during our college time. So it is better to either take help from seniors, or either take help from any kind of what we say, topper student. Get the solution and mug it up. That's it. That's it. That what we used to do, because solution nobody will give. Only the topper student who are studying, they will have. Or if the question is directly from the example set, I mean directly from the book of example set, मतलब example set से आया होगा, then you can get the answer. But if the question, मतलब previous year question is not from the example set of the book, then either ask or take help from the seniors, from your seniors, or either take help from your class topper. Just get the solution and make sure कि आप उसको mug up कर लो. That's it. Nothing to worry about. And I know they will help you. Sky Skykit learn new library. Okay, you are starting that as well. मेरा SQL ही अटका पड़ा है. SQL का उतना टेंशन मत लो, प्रैक्टिस से हो जाएगा. Skykit learn वगैरह तो मेरा भी उतना ठीक ठाक, मतलब आई एम नॉट इनटू डेटा साइंस काइंड ऑफ वर्क. तो SQL related, let me tell you, no need to worry about. It is not that tough. Just once you practice, it is like you will feel same as you are working on Excel. Let me tell you that. It is this kind of interesting thing. So don't worry about SQL. ठीक है. For SQL, if you practice all this question, whatever I have made for this assignment, it is more than enough for you to get the basics, intermediate, and advanced level. Let me tell you that. So just chill. So let's start with some music. Just a minute. So can you provide that PDF of question? Obviously भाई, PDF plus data set वगैरह जितना भी आप देख रहे हो मैं कर रहा हूँ, वो सारे चीज़ें आपको गूगल ड्राइव लिंक में मिल जाएगा. बस एक बार 1000 सब्सक्राइबर टच हो, एक अच्छा क्राउड जब आएगा, तो आई विल make this public so that each and every one of you can practice from this. PDF सेट के आप जो पूरा ले लो, आप इवन तो ये भी ले लेना जो जो है असाइनमेंट्स में, इवन तो जो जो टॉपिक्स है असाइनमेंट में, यू कैन हैव दैट एज वेल एंड गो विथ इट. लेट मी टेल यू, आई विल प्रोवाइड यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, और ये आप ही लोग के लिए. नो नीड टू वरी, आई विल बी गिविंग यू, आई मीन ये सब कुछ मैं आपको हैंड ओवर कर दूंगा आप लोग को. सो जस्ट नो वरीज फॉर दैट. बस एक बार, एज आई हैव प्रॉमिस टू एवरीवन, 1000 सब्सक्राइबर एक बार हो जाए, I will surely do this public. No worries for that. Hello, hello. Yeah, nice. So we have two queries from Harish. आप भी कुछ बताओ which one is more important for success. आपको क्या लगता है भाई? मेरे लिए हार्ड वर्क लगता है भाई. हार्ड वर्क इज मतलब हार्ड वर्क फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी दूंगा. एंड मैं तो बोलूँ हार्ड वर्क प्लस कंसिस्टेंसी. These are the two things which we actually need to get successful in our life. वो मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, व्हाट आई हैव सीन. किसी के लिए स्मार्ट वर्क होगा, किसी के लिए लाइक नेवर गिव अप एटीट्यूड होगा, किसी के लिए राइट माइंडसेट होगा. बट लेट मी टेल यू, फॉर मी हार्ड वर्क प्लस कंसिस्टेंसी. कंसिस्टेंसी है नहीं इसमें, बट स्टिल हार्ड वर्क प्लस कंसिस्टेंसी creates discipline and discipline creates success. So this is what my point of view for the questions that I have given in the poll. ठीक है. So we have one more query from Harish. Hey, hi Charan Gaming, welcome to live stream. Wait just a minute, let me greet him. Welcome to live stream. जस्ट मिनट, आप कौन से सिटी में वर्क किया है और आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है? मैं अभी तक बोलूँ उड़ीसा में आई हैव वर्कड इन भुवनेश्वर, हीराकुद, टू लोकेशंस. दिस इज द, चलो फर्स्ट स्टेट मैं तो बोलूँ. सेकंड आई हैव वर्कड इन कर्नाटका, बैंगलोर. थर्ड इन हैदराबाद. ठीक है. बेस्ट प्लेस मैं तो बोलूँ बैंगलोर है. नथिंग, मतलब लेट मी टेल यू कि सारे मेट्रो सिटीज़ में आई हैव सीन issues are there, but one thing which separate Bangalore from other metro cities is because the weather. The weather is so nice that at least you will forget about whatever problems you have in your surrounding. Because of the weather, it's really good, let me tell you. And one more thing, one more best thing about Bangalore is like uh, each and everything is like any startup. You talk about any startup, you talk about any startup, anything that will first get launched in Bangalore. Even let me tell you, Amazon का जो पहला 10 minutes का delivery था, that have started in Bangalore, that too for the pin codes that are near to the office. So I have experienced that, like whatever experiment, I mean startup experiment or whatever kind of new things you need to experiment, or any startup wants to experiment, they first start from Bangalore, or any, they start with metro cities, I can understand, but Bangalore is always on the first priority or either on second priority. मतलब top two cities में Bangalore रहेगा ही रहेगा for experimentation. So at least you will get to experience that things. Doesn't matter that is that might be a failure, that might be a positive outcome, but still that is what I like in Bangalore. So sorry, Charan Gaming, I'm really sorry for making you wait, but yeah, bro, why music? Yeah, just for focus. That's it. Just for focus and just for light mood. Actually, let me tell you one thing. I don't always work by playing music on my side, but still sometimes when I feel like I need some light music for focus and concentration, then I use music. That's it. Bro, are you in the field of data analytics? Yes, yes, I am in the field of data analytics. Right. And anything, anybody need to ask anything? And so, anybody just okay, let me tell you one thing, each and everyone. So it is like 17th of September, and as 1 October is nearby, let me tell you one thing. I would be launching the Excel project on 1st of October. Like the day is nearby, that's why I'm just announcing this. And why Excel? Because in that Excel playlist we will be only having those topics that I as a data analyst use in my work experience. I mean, during corporate sector, during freelance work, whatever things, whatever concepts, whatever logic, whatever formula, whatever things I have used in Excel. I mean, let me tell you that tried and tested wala part. Whatever I have used in Excel, that thing I will teach you in the Excel playlist. Okay? So that will be launched on 1st of October, and let me tell you, with the concepts, means concept videos will be there, just like our SQL and Python ka project, concept videos will be there, plus project will be there for Excel. Okay? So that is the thing. Uh, Harish, he is a data analyst. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just I've answered that same thing. So yeah, I hope you got the answer, Charan. Like I have answered you, but still, thanks to Harish for that heads up. Thanks to Harish for the heads up. Thanks for that. So that's it. And let me tell you one thing. This project will be good. Like you, anybody who is new to data analytics and having a kind of doubt, like what should we study in Excel part, or is Excel necessary? This all doubts will be cleared in that playlist itself. So you don't have to be so much deep dive or so much kind of getting knowledge in Excel. So just whatever I will teach you, that much I have used, that much you read, more than enough. Charan Gaming, we have one more live chat. Bro, in which company currently you are working? Actually, I am working for a freelance client. I was working for Amazon and I have left Amazon. I've worked in Amazon for 3 years, 5 months. I have left Amazon on this year only, March 11th or 11th of March 2025. I have left Amazon. And if you ask me related to my corporate experience, I have 5 years and 5 months of corporate experience where I have worked with three companies. First Hindalco, second Flipkart, third Amazon, and Amazon was the last company. So where I am working right now, I am working for a client, a freelance client, and from this freelance part, let me tell you one thing. I have over eight. I means I have deal with total eight freelance client in my work experience as well. Means 7 freelance client I have dealt with them already. 8 one is working. I mean I'm on a working basis for with them. Okay? So this is what I'm doing. I am working with the client as well as I am giving my time in YouTube as well. So that is the thing. Harish, you have a nice personality, very calm. I can relate. Yeah, that is. I think that's from my upbringing. I think so. So like when I was a kid, that time also I was kind of calm personality. I just kind of a guy who don't talk much, just sit alone at a place. And let me tell you one thing, I don't like to work with lots of people. Like in corporate sector, you see there are lots of talking terms, lots of politics, lots of colleagues, which I actually don't like. I mainly focus on whatever work is given to me. That's it. So that is kind of personality I'm having from childhood itself. So maybe that is what getting reflected. So and thanks to Harish, thank you for this. Thank you for the feedback as well. Thank you. Thank you. And anything, anybody have any doubt? Anybody have any doubt? So please just ask in the live stream. Any doubts anybody have? Okay, we have one more query from Charan Gaming. And okay, hi, Vikas, welcome to live stream. Just wait a minute. Welcome to. Let me greet Vikas. Live stream till now we have only two live chat till now. Means it will get updated and it will get reflected. So we have one query from Charan Gaming, like, bro, will you suggest choosing this field? I mean about future scope and AI. Yeah, if you are interested in, I mean, let me give you the opposite answer. If you are not interested in coding, writing logics, building logic concepts, then it is just like me. I don't used to, I really hate coding, let me tell you. Means writing logics, writing codes, I really hate that. This is one of the reason I chose data analytics, one of the reason. And second reason is due to my work ex I choose data analytics. So if you are asking me, so for the choosing this field, I would say yes, you can go for it. You can go for it. But before choosing this field, make sure you do a trial run on yourself. Trial run in what sense? See, in YouTube, there are lots and lots of free sources. Okay? So just go with any of the teacher, look around, like look at his course, SQL course, Python course for data analytics. If you like it, go with this field. Let me tell you. Okay? There are lots of free sources in this internet. Go to that source, go to YouTube. There are lots of teachers. Take teaching from them, take knowledge from them. If you like this field, means writing SQL queries, or I would say like in Python using libraries. If you like these things, then please you can choose this field. Let me tell you. Okay? So that is the thing, first thing. And I mean about future scope and AI impact, let me tell you one thing, Charan Gaming, let me tell you one thing. If anyone in this world is in technical field, no need to worry about. AI is still on a learning phase, still on a learning phase. And let me tell you one thing, each and every technical thing in this world need human touch and human experience, and I would say human brain. Why I am saying, if you check any AI right now, most of the AI are updated by 2024 ka data. It is like that. You can know 2024 ka data. So actually AI, if you see, they are 1 year behind us. Technically, if you see this, if you go to AI and ask for some sample data, they will give you 2024 ka data. ठीक है? No doubt they are getting updated for 2025 ka data, but let me tell you, most of the AIs are in 2024 phase. Means AI is on a LLM model, large language model. So whatever data, I mean, people update or export to AI by either asking or by exporting through any mean or any source, AI will learn that thing that much. If human have told that like ABCD is only the alphabet, then AI will only say okay, ABCD is only the alphabet. They won't be AI won't be having knowledge like EFGS like a Z. So it is based on a large language model. So whatever is updated, AI will give you the answer. And why human touch and I would say human experience is required in today's field, because as human is getting experience from his mistake or his or her mistake, they create either new thing or they create a new logic or concept which AI cannot do. AI will get the mistake. If you say this is a mistake, they will say we are updating our data set. That's it. So future scope, no need to worry. Any technical field you go, either web development, either software development, any technical field, no worries for that. But let me tell you one thing: if you are not updating yourself, then yeah, there is a chance to get a setback. Let me tell you, if you are updating yourself in technical field, whatever new things are getting updated in any field like HTML, CSS, Java, Python, anything, if getting updated and you are updating with yourself side by side, then you are on a safer end. Okay? And this is what about the future scope and AI impact. Let me tell you that. And one more thing, practical example I am saying, Charan, in if you go to any of the startup companies, they will be having like 2 lakh 3 lakh ka rows ka data set mein, I mean to say. Just tell me one thing, suppose if you copy all those 2 lakh 3 lakh ka data set and paste it in this, what we say, this any of the AI, chat GPT, Gemini, XYZ, they will say word limit exceed. So if you cannot paste this much data, this is the least data I am saying. If you go to MNCs, there will be having like double digit lakhs, matlab 10 lakh, 12 lakh, 20 lakhs. So this much data you cannot just copy and paste in the chat GPT and ask like, okay, give me this insight, give me the average of this region, or give me the customer ID ka data. Obviously, it is not possible. Even if, let me tell you one thing, you take a big paragraph or take any big paragraph and paste it in any of the AI. Let me tell you one thing, they will say word limit exceed. So if that much AI cannot do right now, we are in safe hand, let me tell you. AI need to learn lot of things. So chill, no worries for that. Vikas, hi Bhaiya, hi Vikas, welcome to live stream. Harish, yes, I prefer texting over calling to. Yeah, right, correct. Same pinch. Vikas, how are you? Okay, SQL is easy. I thought it was difficult. SQL is easy until and unless you are practicing it on a daily basis. Let me tell you that. If you are practicing it on a daily basis, yes, it is easy. Because I am bro. How are you, Harish? Okay, good. Bro, honestly saying, I cannot find myself interest in any of those. Oh my god. Then you have to find your interest, Charan. Let me tell you. Let me tell you my story, Charan. When I was, I was getting kind of interest in technical field. First, I have started with Python. Why? Because in internet I came to know, from internet I came to know Python is the easiest language. When I reached to for loop, if else, and there when I started solving question, I was really demotivated because I don't know what kind of logic we have to use. So from there, I have seen like there are other, like in college terms, I'm saying, like there are other tools where this logics are at least not used. Matlab loop ka logic, oops ka logic are not used. So I have found out that this Power BI, Tableau, SQL kind of thing are not having that much loops wala work or loops wala logic. So this is why I have choose this. I, and always I say my work ex also help me to gain interest on this tools. So yeah, विकास भैया you found my mail. हाँ morning में मैंने mail देखा था आपका विकास, no worries. Just I have asked for permission and you have given me permission, I will do it, no worries for that. आपने कुछ attachment भी भेजा था उसमें, I have to check that as well. ठीक है, मैंने आपका मेल पढ़ा है बट attachment मैंने open नहीं किया, I will check that as well. हाँ हरीश विकास, okay, you don't like tech, okay, okay, विकास data analyst, okay, Harish, okay, you okay. No bro, no special interest or anything, so I am just confused. I can understand sometimes we need time to figure out the whole, like, but some point but I like to figure things like why business is not running, what are things we can do to increase, and what are the main features you should use to interest on those things. So you are mainly into business kind of thing, well, practical knowledge you are mainly or mostly interested into. That is also a good thing, but let me tell you, okay, let me ask you one question, like, are you interested in working with Excel, Charan Gaming? Like, are you interested in working using Excel? What do you say? Because Excel is easy and Excel, everybody knows Excel. So just asking, just asking. So if you are interested to work with Excel, let me tell you, you will automatically get interest to work on the data set with SQL. Let me tell you that. If you are interested in working with Excel, you are like interested in exploring Excel ka pura kind of tools and all that. If you are interested in that, believe me, you will get interest in working with SQL. Once you get interest in working with SQL, you will get automatically get interest in working with Python. And once you learn Python, let me tell you, you won't be going back to SQL and Excel. Because let me tell you one thing, Python have so many libraries as it is an open source. Python have so many libraries that one line and your work is done. That is kind of thing Python had, I mean Python is having. So that's what I'm trying to ask. Like, if you like Excel, let me tell you, you will love SQL as well. And how to find out the interest, you just go and check out any of the YouTube tutorials, any of the free source, and start studying from them. Like, start studying SQL from them. Okay, you will get to know about, like, if you are interested or if your brain is creating a curiosity to learn those things and kind of interest, then go with it, I would say. But first thing first, always have a, what we say, this trial and run, hit and run, I mean, sorry, hit and trial method, sorry, hit and trial method you should always have in your life. Harish, everybody loves Excel, I think. Yeah, obviously, if you are joining my live stream, I think you everybody loves Excel. That is the thing. So if that is the thing, if you are joining my live stream, that is true. You love Excel, and Excel is something which is being taught to everyone from school wala part. Matlab, in school only you will get to. I don't know about today's scenario, but when I was in school, we were taught Paint, like Microsoft Paint, Word, Excel. No, Excel, matlab, not formula, just type this thing, that thing in Excel. That's it. PowerPoint, these things. Like, when I was in school, I don't know what is the today's scenario kind of thing. Like, in today's scenario, people might be getting to an advanced level, because I have seen, means, the coaching institute are selling course to class 7 student for coding and also. I think the situation or scenario today is much more advanced than I was studying in school. So, Charan Gaming Bro, I have learned Excel and for it in 1 month. Lol, if you ask me anything, even basics, I don't remember. I accept that I do not noted any of those. Okay, so okay. Uh, like, what? Let me ask you one thing, Charan. Like, what you are interested in? Are you interested in gaming or kind of thing? Because from your username, I can guess. And let me tell you, gaming is a good thing. Let me tell you that. So if you are interested in that, I would say start a like I think you have a YouTube channel. I don't know how many subscribers you have and all, but let me tell you, if you like gaming and all, make sure you start doing something in online platform as well in YouTube. Give some vlogs kind of thing, give some reviews kind of thing, give some like just like people used to play games and like in online platform I am saying, because if you are interested in anything, start working on that. Let me tell you, don't wait, because let me tell you, don't wait on anything. If you are interested in anything, start. I hope you are interested in gaming. Start on that field. Start on that field. Let me tell you, anything you are interested in, because I know people are interested in such things. They will be good in nearby future. Like let me tell you that I can see in like India only people are very good at gaming. They are buying like a kind of sports car kind of thing. So if you are interested in anything, make sure you do it by giving your 100%. And from your username, what I can believe you are interested in gaming. So make sure if you are interested in gaming, start something from online platform. I mean YouTube. Start giving reviews of games. Start giving some updates. Start making shorts kind of thing. At least start. At least execute. That's what I'm trying to say. At least execute whatever interest you have. Don't think. Just start executing. Okay. That is what I'm trying to say. हाँ हरीश चरण ओके भैया मैंने आपके लिए कुछ सोचा है बताऊँ या श्योर श्योर इफ यू वांट टू tell it here you can tell no worries for that if you want to keep it private and tell to me mail id भी है because your wish your freedom open hands to you ठीक है it's all your stage because Harish, please batao. Okay, Charan Gaming. Also, bro, I have started SQL and I have found some kind of interest while working in SQL. I have covered till Windows function. Bro, Windows function in 6 7 days. That's a good thing, bro. Like Charan Gaming, let me tell you, Windows function in 6 7 days. That's a good thing because I have reached to Windows concept in like 4 months, around 4 to 5 months. No doubt, I was mainly focused into documentation and W3 schools kind of thing in back in 2017. I mean to say. But let me tell you, if you are getting interest and reach to Windows function, and Windows function is kind of advanced level kind of thing, where you will be, I think you will be taking care of lead, lag, row number, rank, XYZ, partition by kind of thing. So I think you are interested in that. But let me tell you one thing, whatever coding language you are learning now, Charan, make sure you practice it daily. Daily you practice it. Why? Because coding is just like maths. Just remember your school days, like in 10th and 12th. You used to give exam for the full NCRT book, means full chapter, all exercise, all question, even the example question. How did you did? You did practice every day and you got those logic and concept in your mind easily because of regular practice. So let me tell you, coding on programming language like SQL, Python, HTML, CSS, Java, XYZ, anything is same as maths. Let me tell you that. If you don't practice it on a daily basis, you will start forgetting about all the logics, concept, and formulas. So at least choose any one concept. Internet is there. Take questions from there and start practicing on it. Start practicing on it, so that at least you don't forget about the concept and logic what you have learned yesterday. ठीक है? This is what tip and suggestion I just want to give to you, right? Because you have only told you are having interest and that's a good thing. Make sure you keep that interest with yourself. Don't let that interest fade away. Okay? And this is literally a good thing. Let me tell you, learning some technical language is a good thing. So that's what I'm trying to suggest. Okay? Harish, wow, it would be nice if there was a group chat or something where we can discuss common field. Charan Game Bro, my suggestion is to start a Telegram channel and post all updates on that about live and project. Telegram channel, okay, like Telegram, I think most of the people are using, and in that we can have lots and lots of people. So is there any way in Telegram channel, like uh, I would say just username will be there and anybody can join? Then yeah, we can start, no worry. We can start Telegram channel. We can start that. But I am having a fear that people would spam. Like, I know people won't do, but I have seen I have joined in most of the Telegram channels related to newspaper and all. People start spamming, and this is what makes me fear about it. I can start you Telegram channel. It's a good thing. Like, if you all are suggesting, and let me tell you, Telegram is in each and every mobile phone in now. I mean, in today's scenario or today's situation. So that's okay. Let's start. Okay, let me write this somewhere. Otherwise, forget. So, actually, what I was planning, each and everyone in the live stream, I was planning that once we reach 1,000 subscriber, I will be opening a behind the scenes kind of classes with me ka Instagram channel. Okay, that we will do plus Telegram channel, na? Okay, we will do both. Telegram channel plus Instagram. Instagram, why? Just for kind of behind the scene kind of things. Instagram channel for that, and Telegram, if you all are suggesting. Okay, let's start, no worries for that. Let me see how things goes on in Telegram, how to share the link ID and all. I will see in internet, YouTube, and we'll start. Okay, like we can start from tomorrow as well, no worries for that. If you say, like, for experimental purpose, let's see how many people join, how many people talk, let's see. Okay. Harish, are you working or practicing question? No, actually, Harish, let me tell you, this is just a trial run kind of thing. This assignment is all for you people only. This is kind of trial run. Like, I am just going through the assignment and seeing, like, is anything is missing or not, and what is the story behind this assignment. Once we reach 1,000 subscriber, I will be sharing this assignment plus dataset to each one of you in my YouTube channel, so that you all can practice this assignment, as well as you can see each and every assignment concept also is there in this. Okay, so you can practice the questions. And do you know why I'm doing this? Because I have seen in my live stream most of them are having a complaint, not complaint, but a hard complaint kind of thing, like they are not getting time to practice. Because I can understand, people are mostly into working profession, mostly college going, uh, like, viewers, subscribers. So I can understand it is very tough to handle two things, means work plus practice. Sorry, college plus practice, I mean academics plus practice. So my motive is like, you don't have to search question here and there. I will provide you whatever basic concepts, intermediate and advanced level concept questions to each and everyone with the data set, so that you can practice it as per your flexibility. My motive is, we will be doing two live stream, one live stream for the practice session. I will be practicing with you all same question, everything, every day. And it will be like ki at least you all will have a motivation ki like someone in front of you is practicing, so I should also practice. And there will be lot of people, like, I pray to God there will be lot of people in 1,000 subscriber who are practicing, so it will create a good positive competition. Like, you will be thinking now, 10 people are watching, at least 9 would be practicing, I should also practice or I will be left behind. So like this kind of motivation plus kind of, I would say, competition kind of thing, I want to create positive thing. At least your practice will also go on, your doubts will also be cleared. So this is what my motive is. um yeah, just like that, no, we can control who can. Okay, okay. Yeah, I will do all the experimentation. I have joined Telegram channels where I have seen admin in one, in some, I mean, not one, in some Telegram channel I have seen the admin is only typing or writing messages. In some Telegram channels, I have seen it is open for all. Some telegrams channel I have seen, it depends on admin. If admin suppose says ki Saturday Sunday we will open our chat stream, anybody can chat, talk, and share your thoughts, knowledge. So like this kind of thing I have seen scenarios. So the, that is what I have seen. Okay. It seems like you are practicing question. Yeah, actually it's a trial run, uh, Harish, because once I give this question to you all, then changing the question, and if there is any mistake, then correcting that mistake would be tough. So before handing over this assignments to you all, my motive is to have a clear check. So it is just a trial run. I'm just making sure each and everything is perfectly set up, and each and every question is perfectly written, understandable kind of thing. So this is what I'm doing. Okay, bro, link in ID. Yeah, I have my LinkedIn ID. That's my LinkedIn ID. And हाँ ब्रो, लिंक्डइन आईडी भाई। मेरा बात कौन रिवील किया? अच्छा, आप शायद टेलीग्राम का बोल रहे होंगे, मेरे को लग रहा है। हाँ हरीश, विकास, क्या आपका भी टेलीग्राम आईडी था? चरण, ऑल्सो ब्रो प्लान सम शॉर्ट ऑफ डाउट सेशन फॉर दिस इन this resume this resume the project. Actually this is doubt session only, let me tell you. In near future we will be doing two live stream now, one for practice and one for doubt session. And let me tell you one thing, whatever live stream sessions you, if you see in my YouTube channel, it is all doubt session live stream only. So suppose if you get any doubt where you want your doubt to be explained in a description way, matlab descriptive way, you can send me a mail. Or let me tell you one thing, suppose you are writing a query or command, and if you get any error, you can just take a screenshot and attach that thing and send me a mail, so that I can help you out. Because as we all know, in live chat there is kind of limitation of letters, words, and file attachment. So that is why I have opened up my mail ID. So just mail me out whatever doubts you have, I will help you out. Okay, because I want to say personally. Okay, okay, because I will just think you said this personally to me. And thanks to everyone. Thanks to Harish, Charan, and Vikas for suggesting me this Telegram idea. Let's see, in just next 2 3 days, I hope I will start Telegram channel. Charan Gaming, bro, plan some Zoom session in your free time from SQL. Zoom session. Okay, but we can start at least when, see, everything depends on my work in the sense, if client is letting me free from the work, then I will be available to you all. If not, I will be available to you all, but in different time frame. So everything depends on my freelance client. And let me tell you, freelance client is good. So he understand about flexibility, about time flexibility, and बोलते हैं ना जो uh, what that is called, work life balance kind of thing. So he understand. So the thing is, once I get free from all this, I will surely do all that thing. No worries for that. Harish, it will be good when there are enough live people. YouTube seems good for now. Yeah, YouTube is what, like, it is kind of already like kind of platform which is already some features in it. What I think, I mean, why I'm using YouTube, let me tell you that. So everything is there, just open up, show your face all the challenges, talk to people, clear doubts. That is a good thing for YouTube. For Zoom, yeah, once I get free time, I will do it. Let me tell you that. But it all depends on my freelance client. So that's it. And any more doubts anybody have? So okay, you have written actually two things. One Insta ID. I will be sharing all the Insta ka link and Telegram ka link in my description box only from my YouTube channel, and in my live stream also I will give you all the link. ठीक है? Telegram channel, most probably in 2 3 days. Let me start and let's have a trial run. Let's see how things goes on. ठीक है? Freelance client also look for experience, right? Or we can showcase our project. Let me tell you one thing. Like the first freelance client, what I have received work from, they they just took my interview. They they just asked me for my skills. I told this the skills I have. They asked me about my work ex. I told recently I have just a freshie, means freshers out of college and working for a company, and in that company I have 6 years of, I mean sorry, 6 months of work ex, with only 20% of SQL work is done in that organization. So they told, okay, let's have an interview kind of thing and let's have a kind of case study work. So these two things I have cleared and they have given me the project. That's it. So at that time I was having only 6 months ka work ex. That too, 6 months ka work ex in what sense? Just 20% of Excel, whatever we have been working on industrial rule. That is not that much Excel, but mostly, sorry, SQL, sorry. Mostly whatever SQL I've studied in 6 months is all about with the help of W3 schools and doubts clearing from Stack Overflow kind of thing. So this is what I have told to them, and just they were agreed to take exam. I mean, take a interview as well as a case study kind of practical work, and I have succeeded in that, and they have handed me the project with some paperwork and all. That's what the part of it. That's actually the part of it. So this is what, and let me tell you one thing: 6 months of work ex is kind of zero work ex in that time. In today's scenario, if you take 3 months ka internship, that is much more kind of uh, giving a good or positive weightage to your CV or resume. सॉरी। हाय भैया, प्लीज रीड माय मेल, प्लीज रीड रीड भैया, ये साउंड कैसा है रीड? ओके ओके, लेट मी क्लोज दिस साउंड। ठीक है। हम्म, चलो, साउंड इज डन एंड डस्टेड। हेलो हेलो, ऑडिबल? हाँ हाँ, प्लीज रीड माय मेल। ओके, चलो मैं आपका मेल मैं चेक कर लेता हूँ। या, वेयर इज इट? Because I haven't received the mail, but still I'm refreshing. No worries for that. I'm refreshing. ठीक है, आएगा तो you will get notification. No worries. We have one query from Charan Gaming. Like, bro, can you share the data set, please? Yeah, everything will be shared. Like, once we reach 1,000 subscribers, I will share the data set. I will share the assignments. I will share the topics, each and everything. Full everything I will share. No worries about it. Let me tell you, each and everything, each and every data set will be shared, so no worries about it. This is for you all only, let me tell you. Don't worry, I will share everything. So chill. या देखो, आया, मैंने आपको 9:25 में किया था, देखो एक बार। मी जस्ट रिफ्रेश अगेन। या रिसीव्ड राइट नाउ, वन दिखाया अभी। सो ओके, वी हैव अ मैसेज। लेट मी हैव अ लुक, लेट मी रीड दिस, नो वरीज। क्या आपको बताऊं? ओके, आई हैव read it, ठीक है। So you are asking for, like, I understood. Related to this, I have already a YouTube channel for it. No worries for that. I already have a YouTube channel for that. But it is not related to studying. It is related to kind of workout kind of thing. I have that. I have that. ठीक है? And let me let me see if I can share that thing here. Let me see. I have one more YouTube channel where I share kind of stuffs like cooking kind of thing, kind of reels kind of thing. Means एजुकेशनल वाला, मतलब मोटिवेशन या एजुकेशनल वाला, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं नाच रहा हूँ एंड वीडियो, नॉट लाइक दैट। आई हैव आई हैव दैट, ठीक है। बट जैसे आपने बोला विकास, करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, ठीक है। तो सी फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, विकास व्हाट यू टोल्ड रिलेटेड टू इंस्टेंट टेलीग्राम, इंस्टा का मैं पहले सोच रहा था, मतलब सोच रहा था नहीं, इट विल बी डन, ठीक है। कंफर्म था इंस्टा का, वो मैं पहले सोचा हुआ था, ठीक है। दैट यू ऑल्सो गिवन मी आइडिया, सोचा हुआ था बिहाइंड द सीन्स का करूंगा विकास, बट आपने जो आइडिया दिया आई विल ऐड दैट आइडिया एज वेल, ठीक है। फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट। सेकेंड थिंग, टेलीग्राम का आज मुझे आप लोगों ने सजेशन दिया, सो लेट्स गो फॉर टेलीग्राम एज वेल। सो इंस्टा टेलीग्राम का डन। तीसरा चीज़ जो आप बोल रहे हो, एक रिलेटेड टू यूट्यूब चैनल बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बिकॉज वी नेवर नो, लाइक व्हाट आई हैव सीन विकास, कि यूट्यूब चैनल ऐसे ही बंद हो जा रहा है। बंद हो जा रहा है इन व्हाट सेंस, यू नो, एनीथिंग, मतलब कोई स्ट्राइक कर दिया, ये मतलब एक बैकअप चैनल टाइप का। आई हैव प्लान टू ओपन बट नॉट, सोचा नहीं था कि एग्जीक्यूट करूंगा, बट आपने जब बोला तो मुझे लग रहा है आई शुड ओपन वन मोर यूट्यूब चैनल वेयर, एज यू सजेस्टेड, वेयर आई विल बी पोस्टिंग रील्स, मोटिवेशनल काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, ऑल दैट स्टफ्स, ठीक है। बट इट विल बी अ काइंड ऑफ बैकअप चैनल एज वेल एज रील्स का चैनल। कितना होगा, कितना सब्सक्राइबर्स आएंगे, क्या आएंगे, वी वोंट सी दैट, ठीक है। वी विल जस्ट मेक श्योर कि वो बैकअप चैनल रहे, उसमें भी पोस्ट आते रहे, उसमें भी रील्स आते रहे, उसमें भी एक्टिव रहेगा। ऐसा नहीं, दिन में एटलीस्ट एक रील वगैरह डाल दो, या तो एक पोस्ट वगैरह डाल दो, एक्स वाई जेड, जस्ट टू मेक श्योर द channel is active, because as you told, and what I have also thought this, thanks to you because for that, कि we never know कल को ये चैनल अगर कोई स्ट्राइक वाइक कर दिया फॉर सम एक्स वाई जेड रीजन, यू नो देर आर नेगेटिविटी इन ऑनलाइन फील्ड, आई हैव सीन कि वो रिगेन करना वो वाला चैनल टफ हो जाता है। दिस इज द रीजन आई थॉट कि एक बैकअप चैनल होना चाहिए, बट मैंने उतना ध्यान नहीं दिया था, मैं सोचा था एंड आई जस्ट थॉट कि देखा जाएगा। बट लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, बिकॉज आपने बोला ये करने के लिए, तो आई वुड से आई हैव टू स्टार्ट इट, सो लेट्स, बिकॉज मैं ये सोच रहा था एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करने का, बट यू हैव टोल्ड देन माइट बी सम रीजन, समवन इज सेइंग फ्रॉम, सामने से कोई कुछ बोल रहा है, तो देर माइट बी सम गॉड टच, मतलब भगवान का बोलते हैं ना कि हाँ कुछ इशारा दे रहा है, तो लेट मी स्टार्ट अ बैकअप चैनल एज वेल। मतलब सेम इसी का ही बिहाइंड द सीन्स काइंड ऑफ कुछ एक बैकअप चैनल रखेंगे, बिकॉज वी नेवर नो कब क्या हो, वी नेवर नो। सो एटलीस्ट एक बैकअप चैनल रहे, जस्ट टू मेक इट अलाइव, बट जस्ट टू कीप इट अलाइव, कीप दैट बैकअप चैनल अलाइव, वी विल पोस्ट सम रील्स, पोस्ट सम एक्सवाइजेड काइंड ऑफ थिंग, कुछ भी छोटा मोटा, अगर कुछ एक टिप्स वगैरह हो गया, टिप्स की, एनीथिंग एक्सवाइजेड थिंग, ठीक है। एटलीस्ट वी विल, इफ वी कीप दिस, वो चैनल भी जिंदा रहेगा, एक्टिव रहेगा, और बैकअप चैनल का भी काम करेगा, सो दैट्स गुड थिंग। यूट्यूब बैकअप चैनल, सो इंस्टा का मैंने सोचा हुआ था 1000 सब्सक्राइबर होगा तो आई विल डू इट, एंड आई विल एक्चुअली डू इट। इंस्टा का वो मैंने सोचा हुआ था, बिकॉज बिहाइंड द सीन वाला काम, वी शुड बी एक्टिव एवरीवेयर, क्योंकि आपका काम जब ऑनलाइन हो जाता है, बिकॉज सी मेरा मोटिव है पढ़ाने का एंड ऑल, तो मेरा एक ही मोटिव है, ऑनलाइन मीडियम, दैट्स द थिंग। तो ऑनलाइन में जहाँ जितना हो सके आई विल ट्राई, एंड थैंक्स टू यू ऑल, थैंक्स टू यू पीपल फॉर दिस। सेकेंड थिंग, टेलीग्राम चैनल, वाई टेलीग्राम चैनल, बिकॉज यू नेवर नो, रीजन आई एम सेइंग, ईच एंड एवरी रीजन आई एम सेइंग वाई टेलीग्राम चैनल, बिकॉज नो बडी नोज कल को यूट्यूब बंद हो गया फॉर सम रीजन, हाउ आई विल कनेक्ट टू यू ऑल, देर इज नो व्हाट्सएप, आई कैन नॉट मेल टू ईच एंड एवरी वन, बिकॉज सबका मेल आईडी नहीं है मेरे पास। अगर टेलीग्राम चैनल रहेगा, आई कैन गिव अ मैसेज कि भाई ये नया बैकअप चैनल है, कुछ एक्स वाई जेड हो रहा है, वी कैन कनेक्ट देयर, काइंड ऑफ थिंग, या तो जूम लिंक जैसे आपने बोला, वी कैन शेयर एंड वी कैन कनेक्ट देयर, बिकॉज वी नेवर नो ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, जस्ट दीज आर ऑल यूएस स्टफ्स। अब कल को डोनाल्ड ट्रंप कुछ हो गया, उसको बोलेगा भाई बंद करो सब, कुछ नहीं चलेगा, कल को यूट्यूब बंद हो गया फॉर सम रीजन, how I will connect to you and how you all will connect to me. There should be some medium, and Telegram is good thing. Thanks to you all again. थर्ड थिंग जो विकास ने मेरे को बोला, मैंने सोचा था करने का, मतलब सोचा था, एग्जीक्यूट का तो मैं सोचा भी नहीं था, मैं सोचा था विल डू सम टाइम, देखा जाएगा, 1-2 लाख सब्सक्राइबर होगा, वी विल डू इट, वो भी नहीं होगा तो भी वी वोंट बी डूइंग, यस नो में मैं था बीच में, मतलब इट इज़ लाइक दैट विकास। सो विकास हैज़ गिवन मी सजेशन, और सामने से अगर कोई बोल रहा है तो काइंड ऑफ, मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ कुछ तो इशारा है फ्रॉम गॉड, एंड थैंक्स टू यू ऑल, चरण गेमिंग एंड हरीश, आप लोगों ने भी सजेस्ट किया, देयर माइट बी सम साइन फ्रॉम गॉड कि सामने से कोई बोल रहा है कुछ, तो सुन लेना चाहिए मेरे को, दैट इज द थिंग, एंड आई विल लिसन टू यू ऑल, लेट मी टेल यू, बिकॉज आई विल लिसन टू यू ऑल, लेट मी टेल यू दैट। तो यूट्यूब का एक बैकअप चैनल भी बनाऊंगा, जस्ट टू कीप इट अलाइव, रील्स वगैरह डालेंगे, पोस्ट वगैरह डालेंगे, एक चीज़ और कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी जॉब वैकेंसी रहेगा उसमें डाल देंगे पोस्ट, कुछ भी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स टाइप का रहेगा, छोटा सा 30 सेकंड 60 सेकंड का वीडियो, सीक्वल पाइथन XYZ, वो डाल देंगे, कुछ भी, जस्ट टू कीप इट अलाइव, ठीक है, जस्ट टू कीप इट अलाइव, कि कल को मेन चैनल चैनल में कुछ हो जाता है फॉर सम XYZ रीजन, एटलीस्ट we will have something where we can connect again and start growing. So I am getting, I mean क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सामने से अगर कोई बोल रहा है तो आई शुड लिसन एंड आई विल लिसन, नो वरीज फॉर इट। तो पहला एग्जीक्यूट टेलीग्राम चैनल का करेंगे 1-2 दिन में, मे बी टिल संडे तक का आप लोग टाइम दो, मैं एक बार एक्सपेरिमेंट करूंगा है क्या क्या नहीं, ठीक है। सेकेंड थिंग, इंस्टा का भी स्टार्ट कर देंगे, क्योंकि मोबाइल का ही काम है, तो टेलीग्राम इंस्टाग्राम एक साथ वी कैन कनेक्ट, वी कैन स्टार्ट। थर्ड थिंग, यूट्यूब का बैकअप चैनल का वी विल डू इट, और मे बी इसी महीने ही सब कर दूंगा, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है इस महीने 1000 सब्सक्राइबर हो जाएगा, जस्ट टचवुड, टचवुड, टचवुड। हाँ, आई होप साउंड आ रहा है, राइट, हेलो हेलो हेलो, हाँ चलो आ रहा है। ब्रो इज देयर एनी, ओके विकास, नाच रहा हूँ हाँ ऑब्वियसली रील्स आप लोगों को पूछोगे रील्स मतलब 90%, 80% आर लाइक, you know, I cannot discuss that, but still, Charan Gaming bro, is there any reason why you left company because of pressure? Yeah, pressure is one of the reason. There are lots of reasons, Charan. Let me tell you some reasons. I will tell you. First thing, manager issue. Second thing, colleagues issue, because politics is must everywhere. Politics is there everywhere. Third thing, freedom issue. You won't get any freedom. Whatever suggestion you have, your suggestion might be heard by your, see, company is not bad, let me tell you, company is run by employees, and manager is also an employee. If you get good manager, you're good to go, if not, god save you bro, ठीक है, nice यार, if you are good manager you are good to go, if not, god save you bro, सही है, तो it is like that, ठीक है, मे बी ड्यू टू सम रीजन मेरा मैनेजर मे बी सही नहीं था, ड्यू टू विच कुछ सजेशन बोलने के बाद भी मे बी दे माइट नॉट बी इंटरेस्टेड, so this kind of reasons, there are lots of reasons, this is some reasons I have told you. Second thing, I was also working for a freelance client, and I was also kind of ki like staying far away from parents, staying far away from home and working, so kind of homesickness kind of guy, I am like that kind of guy. So third thing, teaching interest. So I won't get that much time to teach in YouTube. Although I was having some teaching experience in Amazon only, like kind of वो जो नहीं होता, kind of जो public speaking type of thing. So that is the reason why I have decided to left Amazon and focus more on freelance work plus teaching work in YouTube. So this is the reason why I left Amazon. There are lots of reasons why I left Amazon. Pressure is also one of the reason. So we cannot discuss everything. We'll discuss in some other days, step by step, brick by brick. So Harish, were you living in an apartment or PG in Bangalore? PG first. When I went to Bangalore, I have opted for PG, single sharing PG, and PGs are good. Let me tell you. And one more thing, why I opted PG, that too in 8,000 for single sharing, means 8,000 single sharing office is just 1.5 kilometer away. Why I am blessed to get like this kind of PG, do you know Harish? Because I was having my scooty with me, मतलब टू व्हीलर था मेरे पास, due to which I was able to search PG nearby office building and I got PG. ठीक है, I opted for PG for that. So that is the thing. And which do you prefer? See, depends on you. For me, I have opted for PG single sharing, that too near to office. And second thing is like I love cooking. I love to cook, but not every day because of work pressure, because of time synchronization issue. And PG is like there is a plus point in staying in PG, like at least you will get food. At least you will get food. But if you stay in apartment, you have to cook food, you have to study, you have to work from your own. But if you stay in PG, you will at least get a food. That's the main thing. Only what you left in your hand, work, study, that's it. So that's the reason why I opted PG. Yeah, in week offs, whenever I decided to make any like dish, anything, I used to make. That's it. So I would prefer PG. So yeah, that's it. हाँ विकास, हाँ भैया एक चीज़ और, जैसे आपके बोला कि कॉपीराइट लग सकता है। कॉपीराइट विकास, लेट मी टेल यू, लगा हुआ था, इसलिए मैं ये मेरे को स्ट्राइक किया। कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक नहीं लगा था, कॉपीराइट बोलते हैं ना कि एक कॉपीराइट लगा था। लेट मी टेल यू, नॉट स्ट्राइक, नॉट स्ट्राइक, बिकॉज एक 12 आवर्स वाले वीडियो में आई हैव यूज म्यूजिक, एंड उसमें से एक म्यूजिक, मतलब वो नो कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक म्यूजिक था, बट उसमें से एक म्यूजिक क्या है, मतलब जो रहता है ना, सपोज 20 मिनट्स का म्यूजिक, 20 मिनट्स का म्यूजिक में 5 5 मिनट्स का 4 म्यूजिक रहता है, एग्जाम्पल। उसमें से एक म्यूजिक ने कॉपीराइट लगा दिया था, नॉट स्ट्राइक, नॉट स्ट्राइक, बट जस्ट एन कॉपीराइट का धब्बा। सो दैट इज द रीजन, वो एक डर लग गया कि भाई अच्छा खासा चैनल है, वाई टू डू दिस। सो इसलिए मैंने वो सब गाना वाना हटाया, और चांसेस अगर अभी लगा है तो आने वाले टाइम में वी नेवर नो। ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी आपका चैनल ग्रोथ पे है, सो आगे सडनली चैनल डिलीट हो गया तो आपके कल्ट सब्सक्राइबर कहाँ ढूंढेंगे आपको? या राइट राइट राइट, करेक्ट। सो आई दैट इज द रीजन आई प्लान फॉर बैकअप, बट आई हैवंट थॉट ऑफ एग्जीक्यूटिंग इट। लेकिन बिकॉज आप अगर सामने से बोल रहे हो, दैट मीन्स देर इज समथिंग यू आर सेइंग, कुछ सोच के ही बोला होगा आपने। सो इन अ पॉजिटिव वे आई शुड स्टार्ट एंड आई विल स्टार्ट। ठीक है हरीश, आई लाइक गेम डेवलपमेंट द मोस्ट, बट द सैलरी इन इंडिया इज वेरी लेस। ओके हरीश, मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट है ना गेम डेवलपमेंट में, एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट कोडिंग समथिंग एंड अपलोड इन यूट्यूब। ठीक है ना, एटलीस्ट मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ एवरीवन इन द लाइव स्ट्रीम, इफ यू हैव सम इंटरेस्ट ना, do it, make a video, make vlog, upload it in YouTube. At least people like you, Harish, like people, there are lots of people like you who want to go to game development ka path or game development ka road, but due to some issue they won't be able to go. At least if they find you from YouTube or in any mode of online platform, it will be good. Let me tell you, if you are interested in anything, let me tell you each and everyone in the live stream, if you are interested in anything, painting, gaming, game development, xyz, cooking, anything, exercise, workout, please make use of online platform. Let me tell you, make use of online platform, please. Don't let your skills, don't let your hobbies or interests go like that. At least showcase that people like you are there in this world, they will follow you, they will appreciate you. Let me tell you that. Yeah, bro, did you have any plan to upgrade to data science? Yes, actually, I am studying snowflakes right now as well. Not right now, but I am studying snowflakes because I also need to upgrade. So, snowflakes on the base of AWS S3. The thing is, when I was in Amazon, there was use of snowflakes for big data kind of work, but we are not allowed to use it. Our TL were allowed to use it. We have seen how to use it, but still I have got interest in that thing, and right now I have time, so I am studying that thing, and let me tell you, in near future we will be uploading videos on that as well. In PG we save time, regular cleaning, food. I love cooking too. Yeah. And one more thing, like regular cleaning as well, they give, food they provide. So most of the hard working wala part is already taken care by the PG people. I mean, PG people, PG owners. At least that headache or that hard work is being transferred to them, and they will take care of it. Thanks to that. So at least you will get time for studying, working, cooking. Is Snowflake similar to Postgre? Let me tell you, Snowflake is, if you know SQL, Snowflake is done. If you know SQL ka till Windows function, 70% of Snowflake is already done. Let me tell you, because Snowflake works on this SQL ka query writing. Okay? It is, that is the thing. So it is like that. So is Snowflake syntax similar? Yeah, right. I hope I have answered this question. If you know SQL, you know Snowflakes. That's it. And let me tell you one kind of insight. If you know SQL ka till Windows function, you know 70% of Snowflake. Simple. Simple as that. How did you spend your weekends in Bangalore, specifically in Hyderabad? See, in weekends, I used to go for some shopping kind of thing. Shopping matlab jaise DMart, because DMart is everywhere. Sometimes if I want to have some food, I'm vegetarian, so want to have some good food. So the thing is, I used to go to Lulu Mall. I used to go to VV Puram. VV Puram, if somebody is from Bangalore, they might be knowing it is a veg wala food court. Best place. If someone is in Bangalore, and metro also goes till there, VV Puram, please go have a visit. If you are veg, non-veg, no worries. Actually, the food court contains all veg item. So please have a visit to VV Puram once if you are in staying in Bangalore. Please do visit. And let me tell you, metro is also nearby. So yeah, I used to go there as well. And one more thing, Harish and everyone, in Amazon we have one privilege that your ID card will work in any of the Amazon office. So in weekends, what we used to do, we used to go to any of the Amazon office and used to taste the food court ka food, because there each and every Amazon office have their own food court and have their own kind of specialty, special dish, special food. So any weekend we plan to go to WTC, like World Trade Center. There we have Amazon office. Right now I think they've shifted near the Orion Mall. There we used to go and have food. We used to go to ISKCON as well. Uh, we used to roam around, and we used to study, like morning wala part we used to study, and then 3-4 o'clock we used to go out, take the metro, and Sitaram Palya metro is there, Hudi metro is there. Harish, you are from Bangalore or what? I think you are from Bangalore. And let me tell you, in Hyderabad, I have stayed for only 4 months, so not much explored. Let me tell you that. Uh, but Amazon का जो office है, that is their own office in Hyderabad. That is not rented, own office in Hyderabad. And if you get any chance to visit Amazon office, please visit. And you will also be able to see Google का नया office from Hyderabad का 13th floor as well. 13th floor मतलब any floor you can go and see. हाँ भैया, मैंने आपको फाइल अटैच किया हुआ था, एक बार देखो. हाँ, ओनली व्यू ओनली. ओके. फाइल अटैच. 3 फाइल आपने दिया था क्या? इज इट दैट? मतलब यही फाइल है, राइट? ठीक है. दैट्स द फाइल. मेरे को 3 फाइल ही दिख रहा है रिलेटेड टू सम resume resume resume. That's it. Like if you can send that file again, because मेरे को तो resumes ही दिख रहे हैं फिलहाल. भैया मुझे अच्छा लगेगा क्वेश्चंस अच्छा था तो मैंने भेजा, क्योंकि आपको एक एक्सेल वाला भेजो जस्ट बिकॉज आप एक्सेल पे वो वीडियो बना रहे हो, और एक वीडियो डाउट का भी है, ऐड हो जाएगा. या श्योर श्योर श्योर. नो डाउट, नो वरीज फॉर दैट. हाँ राइट राइट, सीक्वल इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन मोस्ट. ओके ओके. ठीक है. एक्सेल का ना ये वाला. जस्ट अ मिनट में चेक कर लेता हूँ क्या है. ठीक है, एक काम करेंगे. लेट मी टेल यू विकास, ये जो आप क्वेश्चन दिए हो एक्सेल का, उसको हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट में ही डाल देंगे, ठीक है? चलो, मुझे भी प्रोजेक्ट के क्वेश्चंस मिल गए. दैट्स द थिंग. ठीक. वी विल ऐड दिस थिंग इन प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है. वी विल ऐड दिस थिंग. Harish, what do you do for fun in Hyderabad? There are not much is seen, only the Buddha statue, Hussain Nagar Lake. It smells so bad. Chowmala place seems nice, but I have never been there. See, Hyderabad, actually, I have stayed there for 3 months. That is the reason I have not got that much time to explore, because it was kind of change in office, change in location. So I was first of all busy finding PG. Anyhow, I got it. And I was much more busy at work, because I have to deal with the Luxembourg wala stakeholders. Means there were stakeholders in Luxembourg, for that I have to deal with. So I was very much busy in work for the 3 months. That's the reason. I have not got that much time, but yes, I am will be planning to move to Hyderabad just for I mean sightseeing kind of thing, and Bangalore as well. Bangalore ka weather is, bro, I'm missing that thing. I don't know why, but Bangalore ka weather is literally, there is something I miss a lot, a lot. Love. So it's 10 o'clock. Okay, we have 3 more questions. Let's cover that up. Why not to do inner join then? 479. Bro, okay, we have one question, one query from Charan Gaming. Like, bro, I am in fourth year and first sem. Fourth year का seventh sem, you might be saying that. ठीक है? I think so. Because fourth year is seventh and eighth sem. And bro, I'm in fourth year and I am not perfect in any of the tools, but I have got basics of all. But is it possible to get some decent job in first year in DA if I can 3 hours a day, 3 months? If you continue this thing 3 hours a day for 3 months with project and basics knowledge for SQL, Python, not even basic, let me tell you, at least intermediate knowledge of SQL and Python for 3 hours a day or more than 3 hours a day for 3 months. Yeah, I would say at least you will be on that level that you can be having a confidence to apply to startup companies. Let me tell you that. So 3 months for startup companies, 6 months for MNCs. I know MNCs give less preference to freshers, but like who is stopping us to try? Let me tell you. At least you can try applying in MNCs. But let me tell you, for first 3 months, if you work on this data analytics wala tools, or start practicing doing projects and all. Let me tell you one thing. In 3 months you will be having that much confidence and that much energy to apply to startup companies. Let me tell you that yes, it is possible. It is possible. So please follow this 3 hours ka routine, 3 hours per day ka routine, and work hard rigorously. Let me tell you that it is possible. It is possible. And make sure you do projects and make sure you showcase your project in LinkedIn as well. I mean online platform in LinkedIn. ठीक है? So there are good chances at least you will get a job in startup companies. Good chances are there. I won't say confirmed chances, but I would say good chances are there because startup companies only give chance to freshers. Let me tell you that. Harish, what is 3 hours per day? Uh, I think Charan is not I think, actually Charan is talking about studying 3 hours per day. Charan, I mean spending 3 hours on learning every day. Yeah, learning plus practicing. Make sure it's coding thing, it's technical thing. Practice is much more necessary. ठीक है? Learning is not enough, practicing is much more necessary. As I told you previously, and I will tell this to each and everyone, each and every time, that coding or programming language is same as maths. Please practice it rigorously. Please practice it. ठीक है? Without practice, each and everything what you have studied will go from up, or it won't stick to your brain. Please practice every day. Learning plus practicing, and it is not limited to 3 hours. It can go more than 3 hours at the early stage. Let me tell you that, Charan, early stage it might go to 4 hour, 4.5. But let me tell you one thing: once you are acquainted with this code, once you are flexible with this writing query, writing code, writing commands, let me tell you one thing: this 3 hours will go to 2 hours because of daily practice. So that is what I'm trying to say. Yes, it is possible. Rigorously work hard, you will get success. And let me tell you, give first priority to startup companies. Start making a profile in naukri.com, start making a profile in linkedin.com. I think you have one LinkedIn ID because you asked my LinkedIn profile. I think you have that. Please update it properly. Please spend time on LinkedIn. ठीक है? You will get. ठीक. विकास टू SQL फाइल 1 एक्सेल, या एक एक्सेल तो मुझे दिखा, 2 SQL का करते हैं फिर. बट एक्सेल का जो आप क्वेश्चन पूछो, सोच रहा हूँ प्रोजेक्ट में डाल दूँ. देखता हूँ, सोच रहा हूँ कर दूँ प्रोजेक्ट में. Mm. So, okay, let's do the question number 9. Write the query to find top three categories, sales of return order. Category, sales, sales, oh shit, of return order in East region. Two SQL file, one Excel. Yeah, yeah, right. And Charan, yeah, I have read your message. You have 1 year of time, sufficient amount of time. It is sufficient only when you practice daily, and please stay away from social media kind of thing, Instagram and all this. During the practice time, I'm saying during practice time, keep your mobile aside, keep everything aside, just focus on practice. You will get success. Let me tell you that. Category region. So let's hello, yeah, all good. So the thing is, it's 10:15 right now. Let's close this live stream. Let's meet tomorrow in the new live stream. ठीक है? Let's meet tomorrow in the new live stream again with new doubts and new challenges, new ideas. And thanks to everyone today who have joined this live stream, given me ideas. Thank you for that. I will execute each one of it. And till then, bye bye. Take care. Happy coding, happy learning. And let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream. Okay, bye bye. Take